Harley Davidson has added to its Sportster motorcycle line with the introduction of the Iron 1248 special models. The latest in a line of 100 motorcycles the company plans to introduce by 2027, these new high-bar Sportsters combine throwback styling trends from the custom bike scene with a Sportster platform and the Evolution 1200 V-twin engine. The Iron 1200 carries on the design first seen in the Iron 883, but brings a bigger 1.202cc motor to the table. This results in a claimed increase in torque of 36%, from 72.9 Nm in the Iron 883 to 98.9 Nm in the Iron 1200. The styling is also influenced by original Iron 883, with a blacked-out engine and chrome pushrod tubes. The bike also uses similar 9-spoke, 19-inch front and 16-inch rear wheels as the Iron 883. The Iron 1200 features a raised handlebar that is 812 mm wide and with 165 mm pullback, which should result in a more upright riding position. The Iron 1200 also has a new cowl around the single headlight that isn't seen on the 883.